Hey guys, if you want to know how I make my pistachio cake, stay tuned.
Well, then it, see a girl a ball, you know, say kick her out. How she do my youth?
You tell us on a stage. Girl, you better can't cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look you better cook. Think you know you pay your pretty looks. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look.
Hey guys, so today we'll be making pistachio cake, and to start off we'll add our half cup of butter, room temperature, we'll add a half teaspoon of salt, and we'll add 1.5 cup of granulated sugar. We're gonna add a half cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, then we're gonna also add our pistachio, that's like maybe a half cup. Now for our dry ingredients, we're gonna add 2 cups of flour, then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half of teaspoon of baking soda. Mix that in. We're gonna sift through half of the dry mixture. Then mix. Gonna sift through the other half. We're gonna add buttermilk. That's a cup of buttermilk. We're gonna add our food coloring. And that's 4 drops. You guys ever heard of work with what you got? So I have a pan, a baking pan, but it's not big enough for the amount of batter that I made. So I end up having to use these. I'm gonna use these. I put parchment paper inside so that there will be no sticking. So I'm gonna use both of these, and I believe that it will be enough space. So let's see. Time to make my icing. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of butter. One block of cream cheese. I'm gonna mix that in. Now I'm gonna add my icing sugar. 1 cup. And a half. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon, actually no, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And we're gonna mix that in. Going to add a half cup of heavy cream. And a half cup of buttermilk. Gonna mix that in. Now I'll be adding to my previous mixture. And now I'm just gonna mix it in. You guys, my cake is out the oven. This is how it's looking. Both of them. Let's see if it will come out the pan smoothly. Yes, it comes out the pan very smoothly. So this is how the back is looking. Okay. I'm gonna try to take out the other one. My parchment paper. So it's looking pretty good, guys. Okay, so I guess this is when you kind of cut the top to level it off. So I'm gonna do that. I don't have the little cake knife things that I always see. I only have this right now, so I'm gonna use this and try to cut it off the top evenly so that it could be flat. Okay, I did it. It looks a little rough now, but when you put the icing on it, you know it's gonna look very cute. So let me cut the top of this one. Oops. Okay. So the top is cut evenly so that when the icing will go on, it will look very flat. So let's see. Okay, you guys, so I'm ready to put my icing on my cake. But don't laugh, because I do not have that little spatula thing that they use and spread the icing in. So I'm gonna use my butter knife, okay? Like, don't judge me. You know, so I'm gonna use my butter knife and I'm gonna spread around my cake. All right, whoops. It might not get the job done fast, but I promise you it will get the job done. Gonna make sure of that. Guys, look at my cake. Okay, don't tell me that the bottom knife ain't doing it. Okay, don't be afraid to be different, because it's actually working. Okay, it's actually spreading it really good. So when you don't have the tools, you have to think outside the box. When you think outside the box, you could get the job done the same way. So do not be afraid to be different. Okay, look at it. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to make it look a little pretty, okay? So I'm gonna put some pistachio on the edges.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to be notified on all my new upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.